Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and this video is about how to fix or improve the battery life on this watch. It's a great watch, but I've heard and I can see myself that it drains the battery a little bit too quickly. So I'm going to improve the battery life. No time wasting, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is let's start identifying what's actually using up the battery. This way you know which apps and settings are the biggest culprits. So the first thing you gotta do is go to settings, scroll down, settings, battery usage. You see, Google Assistant's been using up a lot. WhatsApp uses a lot. There's my watch face that uses a lot as well. So these will show you how much battery one of these apps are using the most. Right now, Google Assistant is the most. So you can identify and figure out the unexpected drains that's happening and considering limiting the app or uninstalling it. So the second step you gotta do is turn off unnecessary health tracking. If you're not using the features like continuous heart rate or stress tracking, then you can really drain your battery. You should go and turn those off. You scroll up this way, you go to Samsung Health app, you go scroll down to settings. I've turned on mine on manual only to get more battery life. You can always set it measured continuously or manually. So you can always change these anytime you want. During my sleep, I like to have these my heart rate on. And in your sleep also, you can leave the blood oxygen on and off during sleep and skin temperature as well. So the third thing is a longer screen timeout can drain your battery significantly. So especially if you frequently check your watch. So to fix those, you go to settings and display, and you go to screen timeout. Mine is set to 10 seconds while power saving is on. So right now my power saving is on. If I wanted to check how it is, there you go. You can change it from 15, 30 or 1 minute. Turn power saving on, then it goes down to 10 seconds, which it is right now. So the fourth thing you can do is to disable raise to wake and touch sensitivity. And in order to do that is to go to settings, go to display. You find raise wrist to wake. Mine is off because my power saving mode is on anyway right now. You turn that off. So number 5, enable watch only mode for maximum battery savings. Sometimes you just need the best battery saving that you can get, and the best thing you can do is actually go to settings, go to battery, and scroll down to watch only mode. So if you turn on the watch only mode, you'll jump from 12 hours. In my case, I think I have 19 hours on power saving mode. And if I do that, I get 5 days and 3 hours if I turn it on. That's a significant jump. So the sixth thing you can do is to turn off location services when not needed. Locations obviously track and use a lot of battery. So you want to turn that off by going to settings and going down to locations, and you turn this off. Number 7, check and remove unused watch faces app. So if you're using some watch faces app that use a lot of battery, then you can turn that off or change them or check again after a while to see how that has performed. For example, this one with the dark background will use a lot less battery than a watch face with the very bright background. So when you hold it, you can choose another one or add other watch faces. I think this does a lot better job. So there's another thing you can do that a lot of people don't know about. It's very simple. You turn the do not disturb mode, and it's right here. With this on, then you're not gonna get notifications or any of that stuff. Every time you get a notification, this vibrates or screen turns on. So this is a very simple way to save your battery. So number 9, you gotta keep your software updated. A lot of people forget about the software updates. Very important. Make sure you're running the latest software. In order to check that, you go down to setting and you go down all the way to software update. Mine was last checked on October 28th. So mine auto update is always on. I don't want to miss out any of the updates that come out. So number 10 and last thing I want to tell you guys is to restart the watch regularly. A lot of people forget this very simple trick. Restarts can always refresh your watch memory and close any lingering background processes that might drain the battery. So in order to do that, you scroll down, you hit the power button, turn that watch off. Guys, those are the 10 tips for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.